Okay, this is question 18 on WJC Additional Maths paper from 2018. So what we have here is we have 3x plus 5 ice creams cost £44 altogether. 3x minus 1 ice lollies cost £7 altogether. We want an expression for the total cost of 2 ice creams and 3 ice lollies. Simplify your expression to give your answer as a simple fraction in terms of x. So let's look at that first bit. So we've got 3x plus 5 ice creams cost £44. Okay, what does that mean? Well, what can we do with that? Let's say I had 4 ice creams cost £44. Could I find out what 1 ice cream costs? Well, yeah, I could. I could divide everything by 4. So that would say that 1 ice cream would be £11. So if I divide by this, it will always tell me what a unit is. So if I had 5 ice creams cost £44, 1 ice cream would be £44 divided by 5. 10 ice creams cost £44, then 1 ice cream would be £4.40, so divided by 10. So what we'd have here is if I know that 3x plus 5, so that's just some number of ice creams cost £44, then I can work out that 1 ice cream is going to cost £44 divided by the number of ice creams. So 3x plus 5. In a similar way, if I take my ice lollies, so 3x minus 1 ice lollies cost £7, then that means that 1 ice lolly costs, should have an S on the end there, so it's £7 divided by the number of lollies, 3x minus 1. Okay, so we want an expression for 2 ice creams and, so plus 3 ice lollies. So we're going to have 2 lots of the ice cream. So the ice cream is 44 over 3x plus 5. And then we're going to add 3 lollies. So 3 lots of 7 over 3x minus 1. Okay, let's start simplifying. So we can expand those brackets. That'll give me 88 over the 3x plus 5. Plus 3 sevens are 21 over 3x minus 1. Okay, now we've got an addition of 2 fractions. We want our final answer to be a single fraction, so we need to add these up. And the way we can do that is to create a common denominator. And the easiest common denominator to do is going to be to make it a product of the 2 denominators that we have. So 3x plus 5, 3x minus 1. So if I want this first fraction to have this denominator, I need to multiply the bottom and the top by 3x minus 1. So that will give me 88 on the top, lots of 3x minus 1. Okay, can you see how that works now? What I've got here is I've got 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 would cancel, leaving me with the 88 over 3x plus 5, which is that one. Then I'm going to add 21 from my second fraction. If I want this second fraction to have the denominator 3x plus 5, 3x minus 1, I need to multiply top and bottom by the 3x plus 5. So that'd be 21 lots of 3x plus 5. Let's see if we can make sure that we're happy that that works. The 3x plus 5 will cancel with that, 3x plus 5, leaving us with that. And there's no common factor looking at the top of that. So we can leave it as it is, and that's it done. Okay, so use your calculator if you have to. This is 88 multiplied by 3 is 264. So that's 264x. Then 88 times negative 1 is minus 88. Then from this one, the second one, plus 21 times 3x is plus 63x. And plus 21 times 5 is 105. All over. We're going to leave the denominator as it is. Reason being we don't expand this is because it's already factorized. If when I simplify my numerator, then I can take out a factor of 3x plus 5 or 3x minus 1, then it's easy to simplify because the factors are already there on the denominator. If you expand, then you're not going to see that that factor there. So we leave the denominator and just sort out the numerator. So let's have a look at the numerator now. We've got two x terms, the 264 plus the 63. And if you add those together, you get 327x. And you have your negative 88 plus 105, which is positive 17. Oops. And that's all over 3x plus 5, 3x minus 1. Now, there's no actual common factor in this numerator, so that's as simple as it can get. So that's our answer.